Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, I've got tons of cleaning motivation for you guys, and I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about me. I am a wife and I am a mom. Me and my husband have been married 14 years, and our oldest is 18 and our youngest is 15. And we have 4 dogs, 2 German Shepherds. Thor is part Callahoola and Bull Mastiff. And Bailey is part Poodle and Schnauzer. Right here, I am washing the throw blankets that are in the den on those couches. I just use Gain laundry soap, fabric softener. I went in with borax and laundry soda and OxiClean because the dogs do lay on them. They get really smelly. So with the borax and the laundry soda, it really helps getting a lot of that odors and smells out from all of the dogs. And we have a lot. And the girls are always killing some kind of toy and ripping it apart. And right there, I'm finally getting rid of the cat food bin and George's bowl. He has been missing for 2.5 months now, so I'm finally just packing it up. But back to a little bit about me. I love to hunt and fish, and I just like to be outside. I love getting in the woods and just riding the four-wheeler through the woods and just spending time with my husband out there. Our kids don't really go out. My daughter is not interested in hunting. My son is more interested in video games. But that's because they have been raised in the city and we're finally back to the country, and I grew up in the woods, camping, hunting, fishing, and all that good stuff. So, and I have introduced my husband to it this year. I've told him for the last couple of years I really wanted to get back into fishing and hunting because that's just some of the stuff I like to do. So, and finally got him into it, and he has been loving it. So we just enjoy getting out in the woods to the peace and quiet. But that is just a little bit about me. What do you guys like to do? Getting my son's big old popcorn machine moved out of the way so I can get it vacuumed over here. I really wish he would find somewhere else to put it, but he has this one, and then he has a smaller one that's in his bedroom. But this one don't get used all the time, so it needs to find another home.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want.
And those little creepy baby doll, they're actually supposed to go outside, but I didn't decorate the yard for Halloween this year. I don't know. I really just wasn't feeling Halloween decor this year, if you guys can tell. Usually the house is just decked out and I go overboard, but I don't know. Just not really feeling Halloween this year. I would rather just go straight to Christmas, which in a few weeks, November 1st, I will be decorating for Christmas. I cannot wait. But yeah, I don't know. I just haven't really been feeling Halloween this year. So that box in the kitchen dining room area that I just kind of pushed out of the way, that box has actually been sitting there for a few weeks. As I'm cooking in the kitchen, or I'm going through something, or if I haven't used it, it just goes in that box. That is my Goodwill box that I have been working on filling up. Just getting rid of things that I don't use or no longer makes me happy, or I'm just sick and tired of looking at it. Just goes in that box. And that blue bucket has my flour in it. And those book bags and the tools on top of my freezer, those need to all go to my husband's truck when he gets home tonight.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Grabbing these throw blankets so I can get these tossed into the washer, and laundry soap spilt on top of the dryer, so still got to get that cleaned up and need to get those empty bottles thrown away. And I'm just going in with borax, laundry soda, and the, OxiClean. And that big bag of chicken feed. When my son gets home, I'm going to get him to run that out to the shed for me. And because it's heavy and I just didn't feel like toting it all the way out there on this day. So just going to get my son to do it for me. And I have an oil diffuser, but I don't know. I just started using wax warmers here recently, and I really been loving it. But with my oil diffuser, I love that as well. I usually always get all of my I go to Bath and Body Works and get the wallflowers and pull the wick out and pour a couple of drops of that in my oil diffusers and then add water. But ever since we got Wanda, I've noticed it really messes with her breathing, and then she has a hard time breathing, and then she's just coughing and wheezing. So I stopped using the oils and started using the wax warmer, and she has been doing really good. So I'm going to try to find more natural essential oils and try that and see how that works. But the spray I was spraying on my furniture is my linen spray that I make. It is a cup of water. Well, let me do it in the right order. It is a tablespoon of rubbing alcohol and about 10 to 20 drops of any essential oil you like. I use lavender because I just like the calming and the relaxing smell. And then you mix those up really good, and then you add a cup of water. give it a few shakes, and you are good to go. And I spray it all over my house, on all of my furniture, my curtains. It don't leave no residue or no oil spots, nothing. And it makes the house smell so good. But that is how I make my lavender linen spray. You can use any essential oil you want. Here probably I like pumpkin spice too. I ordered some oils. I'm just waiting on them to come in because I do want to make a pumpkin spice linen spray for the house, just to make it smell really good. And plus I really want that for my oil diffuser as well. And I'm hoping with the oils, the essential oils, it won't mess with Wanda's breathing. Maybe it'll help her. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you got tons of cleaning motivation. And I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday and a wonderful weekend. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.